What's up guys, it's Chris here, and today I've got another restoration video for you guys. There aren't too many YouTube videos on this particular shoe, so today I'm going to be doing an icy sole restoration on some Yeezy 2 Solar Reds. This is a client shoe, it's not my shoe, so I'm going to be sure to be as careful with these as possible. So I'm going to be using a new sole sauce today. It's a sole sauce I make myself. Let me know what you think about it once you see the results in the end of the video. But first, let me run through exactly what methods I use when I'm icing soles. I've been doing it for probably about 5 years. I used to do it for clients back in high school when I was broke. So I've kind of learned a lot along the way, and I've made a lot of mistakes, but most of all, I've learned a lot of useful tips. So let's get into the tutorial. So in order to get that dead stock icy look that everybody wants, I'm going to be using some CCK sole sauce to ice the soles. This is pretty much the strongest sole sauce you can get your hands on. I make it myself and I sell it on my website, chriscustomkicks.com. So if you're satisfied with the results that you see in this video, feel free to check out the link in the description and buy yourself a bottle. But anyways guys, we're also going to need a toothbrush to spread the sole sauce around on the soles, and we're going to need some saran wrap to wrap the soles so that the sole sauce doesn't dry out during our sessions. This is a brand that I recommend. I've been using it for years and it works really well. So it's time to dive deep into this restoration. As you can see, these Solar Reds have been worn quite a bit and they are yellow. It looks a little bit worse in person. Some parts of the sole are actually turning brown. So when applying sole sauce, you really want to make sure that you apply light coats. Light coats are going to get you faster results and they're also going to save you money. So that's always a win-win. Also, when you're applying sauce to the sides, you want to do it really carefully. On this particular shoe, there happens to be suede right above the rubber, and you never want to get sole sauce on suede. So make sure you're extremely careful when applying the sauce.
She like Cardi friends, sweet like candy canes. If I'm Superman, she my Lois Lane. Gucci everything, Louis everything. Had to cut her off, she sniffed too much cane. Don't look so surprised, all she wanna do is lie. And she turn around and cry, demons all in her eyes. She don't feel no pain, she might be insane. Colder than some rain.
Hours later.
Alright guys, so we're all done here. Before I show you guys the final results, let me first state a few things. As you can see, I did one indoor session that was 24 hours long. So I got these results in one day. Now, the reason why I only iced one shoe was because I simply wanted to show you guys what one session could do with CCK sole sauce. Now, as you can see from these results, one shoe is noticeably icier than the other shoe. These are around the results that you can get if you have a solid indoor setup and you do 24 hours, but I understand that not everybody has access to an indoor setup. So I want you to know that you actually get quicker results using an outdoor setup. The sun is undefeated. No indoor light is stronger than the sun. So everybody can ice soles. You just have to make sure that you use the proper methods in order to prevent your shoes from experiencing sole separation. Don't let them get too hot. Check on them every 30 to 45 minutes when you're putting them out in the sun, and you should be fine. Now, if you guys are interested in a tutorial on indoor methods, leave a comment down below. Just let me know. If the people want the video, the people will get the video. But guys, if you liked what you saw and you thought these were really solid results, check out my website, chriscustomkicks.com. The sole sauce is available on there. It's $19.99 for a bottle. But since this is a grand opening of my website, use code YouTube15 for 15% off your order. That code will expire a week after this video is uploaded. So make sure you grab your bottle now. I will catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna finish up this shoe and ship them back to my client. I wish this was my shoe, but you know, it goes for like $2,000 to $3,000. I'm not really there yet, but one day I will show you guys a pickup video where I finally acquire this grail. But anyways, I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.
Well, I tell you something, Caesar. Yo, this a hunting season. Cake and dumpling season. Spinners and dumpling season. Don't play by the king, love's all I bring, you know.